Hello, my name is Wayne, and I'm the owner of Mr. Handyman. And today, we're going to be showing you how to repair a hole in your drywall. Now, depending on the size of the hole, this could be a pretty easy fix. And with the right know-how, you'll never even know it was there. You'll want to start by getting a drywall that matches the thickness of the damaged area. With your replacement drywall, cut a piece that is slightly larger than the damaged area. Next, trace the shape of the repair piece onto the wall over the damaged area. Then cut the drywall in the damaged area along the line you made. Now attach two nailers to the inside of the wall with the damage. Make sure the edges of the drywall are clean and not frayed. Attach the square replacement drywall you cut to the nailers. Now we'll apply our first coat of 5-minute drywall compound. Once applied, use a blow dryer to help dry the compound, then sand it smooth. Next, you want to apply a second coat of 5-minute drywall compound. Again, use a blow dryer to help dry the compound, then sand it smooth. Now, you're ready to paint the area and make it look as good as new. Whether it's by accident or intent, sooner or later you'll probably need some type of drywall repair. So whether you have a project of this size or one that's much larger, please call us at Mr. Handyman. We're your one-stop shop for maintenance, repair, and solutions.